The Insta360 Go 3S is back with a completely different vibe this time. Instead of focusing only on action camera features, Insta360 is leaning hard into retro street photography aesthetics with a brand new retro bundle that changes how this tiny camera feels to use. And honestly, it might be one of the most fun compact cameras we've seen in a while. The biggest change is the new optical viewfinder system. Unlike the regular Go 3S setup, this version skips the action pod entirely and replaces it with a lightweight retro-style housing. There's no screen or electronics inside the viewfinder. It's fully optical, designed to give you that old-school point-and-shoot shooting experience. You simply look down through the top to roughly frame your shot, almost like using a vintage street camera. What makes it even cooler is that the front side doubles as a selfie mirror. By covering part of the optical opening, the front reflective panel lets you line yourself up for quick selfies or vlogs without needing a display. It keeps the entire experience simple, fast, and surprisingly enjoyable. Underneath the retro design though, it's still the same powerful Insta360 Go 3S. You still get crisp 4K recording, FlowState stabilization, multiple capture modes, and ultralight portability. At only around 39 grams, this thing is tiny enough to mount almost anywhere without feeling bulky or heavy. That's a huge advantage for POV shots, travel clips, bike rides, or casual social media content where larger cameras become annoying to carry. The camera keeps the super simple one-button controls as well. One press snaps a photo, 2 presses start video recording, and holding the button powers the camera on or off. Everything can also be customized inside the Insta360 app, depending on how you like to shoot. The retro bundle still works with Insta360's magnetic mounting ecosystem too. You can attach it to chest mounts, clips, or other magnetic accessories for hands-free POV recording. And because the camera is so small, it captures angles and perspectives that are hard to pull off with traditional cameras. Battery life is decent for something this compact. The camera itself delivers roughly 38 minutes of recording, while the included battery pack doubles that to around 76 minutes total. The battery pack also supports magnetic mounting, so you can keep things lightweight while extending recording time. Insta360 also added some surprisingly smart connectivity features. The retro shell supports NFC pairing, so tapping it against your phone instantly launches and connects the Insta360 app. From there, you can preview footage, change settings, customize controls, or start recording remotely. There's even lock screen support that shows battery status, storage, and recording controls directly on your phone. Overall, the Go 3S Retro Edition feels less like a traditional action camera and more like a fun, everyday creative tool. It's built for people who want something lightweight, minimal, and easy to carry without sacrificing video quality. Instead of chasing giant camera rigs and complicated setups, Insta360 is focusing on simplicity, portability, and pure shooting enjoyment. And honestly, that's probably why this little camera stands out so much.